Modern manufacturing actually lends itself to several different processes that someone needs to be proficient in, very knowledgeable in. Processes could be anything from pneumatics and hydraulics to AC/DC electronics to control systems and automation, programmable logic controllers. There's a wide variety of skill sets that someone in manufacturing needs to be familiar with. So we focus on providing those skills to all of our students. They don't just learn theory, they don't just learn one set of skills. We actually will go in and we will give them hands-on instruction. They'll get to practice using equipment that will help train them to be successful and competent in any of those processes. Automated systems require knowledge with possibly robotics or programmable logic controllers. And so we provide training to our students on how to design, how to program, how to control robots. And we also teach them how to create programs to control systems using programmable logic controllers. So there's one thing that we can be sure that our students at Maryland Area College can be confident in when they leave here, that they actually have the understanding and the know-how and the skills to be able to be a successful team member within any manufacturing company.